Hello, AVID. Welcome to another week. This week, we're adding another layer to our routine. We've done note checks, we've done tutorials, and now we're adding agenda checks. The agenda checks are going to be done weekly, and they're going to show up as a quiz, and they're going to be a self-graded quiz. Now, I would absolutely click on this if I were you. Take a look at what the expectations are for your agenda check so you can kind of frame what it is you'll need to be writing down and doing as a start to learning how to use those agendas effectively. I have video resources here for you as well. So this crash course is really the primary one, talking about how to use the agendas and the layers and the planning that can be involved with that, and how an agenda is different than a calendar, and how really you can use one place to do both of those jobs. You get to do a paper one or a digital one. That is your pick. It could be a mix of the two, but all I'm going to be looking for is what's going to be in the check is somewhere located within your organizational scheme. Now, even though you do not have to use those, you do need to know how they are done and how to access them and how to read them when they're digital. And the two primary ones are the ones here built into Canvas. So I have an overview video and a detail video, and then as well as Google Calendar, because since we all have Google accounts, which are our STU accounts, you all have access to the Google Calendar function as well. So this is a lot of video watching, which means you'll need to be taking a lot of notes, a lot of pausing, a lot of rewatching, and you pace it out because this is going to be lasting all week. Make sure you're writing lots of good notes. You can upload any of these notes that we're learning about agendas for your note check, or your notes for your note check could come from any of your other classes. Same thing with tutorials. Make sure you're uploading just those 3 questions that are reflected from our TRF as a main post, and then you're responding to your peers' posts with those inquiry-based questions. Thank you guys. Good luck this week, and I look forward to seeing you all on Thursday.